The clock is always moving, even when we don't notice. Every second that passes is one we'll never get back. But most of us live as if time is unlimited, like we'll always have another day, another chance, another opportunity. Until one day, we don't. Imagine this. You wake up one morning, check your phone, scroll through messages, and get ready for another routine day. The same roads, the same work, the same conversations. You tell yourself, one day I'll do what I really want. One day I'll take that risk. One day I'll truly live. But what if that one day never comes? There's a story of a man named Aryan. He was just like everyone else, busy chasing a future he thought would make him happy. He worked long hours, saved money, postponed vacations, and promised himself that one day he'd enjoy life. But before he knew it, years had passed. He had everything he thought he wanted: money, a stable job, a house. But deep inside, he felt something missing. One day, he got a call. His best friend, the one he always planned to meet next weekend, had suddenly passed away. In that moment, reality hit him hard. Life doesn't wait. Time doesn't stop. And regrets? They last forever. So here's the real question. How do you make sure you don't end up like Aryan? How do you spend life wisely before it's too late? The answer isn't in the future. It's in how you live right now. Stop waiting for the perfect time, because it doesn't exist. If you want to start a dream, tell someone you love them, or make a change, do it now. Every day you wait is a day wasted. Prioritize experiences over things. A bigger house, a nicer car, expensive gadgets. These might make you happy for a while, but they won't give you lasting memories. Moments do. The late night conversations, the spontaneous trips, the laughter with friends. These are the things you'll remember when you look back. Stop living for others' approval. Too many people waste their lives trying to impress others. But in the end, no one cares about the brand of your shoes, how many followers you have, or what car you drive. Live for yourself, not for their validation. The moment you stop seeking approval is the moment you start truly living. Take care of your health. Imagine having everything you want: money, success, recognition, but being too tired, too sick, or too weak to enjoy it. Your health is the foundation of everything. Eat well, move your body, sleep enough. You don't get a second chance with your body, so treat it well. Embrace failure and take risks. Most people live carefully, afraid of making mistakes. But the truth is, failure is not the enemy, fear is. Every failure teaches you something. Every risk opens a new door. If you're not failing, you're not growing. So take the leap. You'll never know what's possible if you don't try. Spend time with people who matter. Success means nothing if you have no one to share it with. Your parents, your siblings, your friends, the people who truly care about you, don't take them for granted. No amount of money or fame can replace genuine love and connection. Make time for them before life forces you to realize their value too late. There's a moment in life when you realize that everything you once took for granted, the time, the people, the opportunities, was never infinite. It was always running out. And when that moment comes, you don't want to look back with regret. So, starting today, ask yourself, if I had only 1 year left, how would I live? What truly makes me happy? What am I afraid to do that I know I should? Life is short, but that's what makes it precious. You can either waste it, living in fear, waiting for the right time, or you can own it, live it, and make every second count. So tell me, how will you spend your time?